Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Yuendika from Chayatsuji Kimono. About a week or two ago, I got a question from someone about folding up their Furisode Juban. They had a little bit of problems with their sleeves, and I thought, well, I haven't done one of those before, and it's a really valid question as well. So I thought, why not just go ahead and make the video. So as you can see, I have laid out my Furisode in front of me. Now, the Furisode Juban was initially folded differently, so it has folds in different places, and it may look a little bit bulky when I'm finished with it, but that's due how it was folded, how it came to me originally. So yeah, without further ado, let's hop into the tutorial. So I have laid my Furisode Juban right in front of me. So whether you have the colors on one side or the other side, it doesn't really matter that much. It will fold just the same. So what you want to do is grab one of the sides, preferably the one that is underneath, so the right side, so that the layers won't what do you call it? They won't unravel, so you have like this layer system. So what you do now is just fold it in the line that is aligned with the color in the end. So you have one straight line from one side to the other. Then you align the sleeves. One sleeve and just fold it back. And then you simply repeat that to the other side. And just align the sleeve. Just folding it back. So let me switch around so you can actually see what I mean with the color. So if I fold those back, you can see that when I fold it, there's just about this much. I hope you can see with the light. So there's a little bit of fabric here, and then it just folds back. And if there's some sleeve on top, it just stays within the seams. And then same on this side. So I have a perfect rectangle, so to speak. I hope this makes all sense. So what I do now is simply folding it up. How it came to me was basically in fours, so I fold the ends again and again. You can probably see a few lines there. You can just fold it in half. So just grabbing the ends and the sleeve in one go. Fold one, fold two. If you do that, that's perfect. How this one came into my possession was this way. So I fold sleeve up a little bit, and then fold the hem in, fold once, and fold twice. So then you have your folded Furisode Juban. And when it comes to the colors, what happens with mine is they fold in. Okay, I can show you. So when you have the colors here, they fold up like almost like a little triangle, so that they stay nice and straight, and then you fold up the sides. We'll fold them in. Problem with this juban, it's so new that the color stays in place like that. I don't have to do anything, but that's how mine is folded. So yeah, that's pretty much how I fold up my Furisode Juban. With that, if you have any more questions, just leave them in the comment section down below. And I guess I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.